Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in today's video we will be learning how to make a tree map chart using the sheet feature in Canva mobile. So for this you have to open your Canva app first, then you have to click on the sheet options, then select blank design. After selecting on blank design, you have to wait for some minute. Then a blank workbook will appear just like it is showing in my mobile screen. Then you have to click on the actions button on the bottom left hand corner of the app. Then under sheet actions, you have to select magic charts, select chart library, scroll down a bit, and under the hierarchy charts you can see the tree map chart. Just click on it. After clicking on the tree map chart, a tree map chart will appear on your workbook, just like you can see it here. Same. So first we will discuss the data tab. Basically there are two tabs, one is the data and other is the customize. So first we will see the data tab. Okay, under the data tab you will get all the data. You will enter the data you have. By default here a data is given. I will explain this properly. Okay, just watch the video till the end. The first column is our continent column, second column is the country column, and third column is the population column. So under the continent column there are Asia, North America, Africa, South America, Europe, Oceania. Okay, and under the country column Asia, China, Asia, India, Asia, Japan, and Asia, Indonesia. Under Asia, four countries are given: China, India, Japan, and Indonesia. Under North America, United States, Canada, and Mexico. Under Africa, Nigeria, Egypt, South Africa, and South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia. Under Europe, Germany, France, Italy, and under Oceania, Australia, and New Zealand. The third column contains the population of these countries. Likewise, so scroll down a bit. Now we will get the import data option. If you have created your own data, or you want to import your data from Microsoft Excel or any other office software or any other external source from which you have gathered your data, just click on it and you can import your data. The next is the transpose option, the two small arrows you can see to the right of the import data option. So if you click on this, basically the columns which you have, like here we have three columns, this will get converted into rows, and if you have any row data it will get converted into columns. Okay, next is the delete option. If you click on delete, the entire data will get deleted at once. So next comes the chart setup. Under chart setup you get groups, what values to show. Okay, so groups are basically, you can see in this tree map chart there are big square boxes are there, big and small. So these are the groups. Okay, so what values to show in these groups is by default selected is continents. See, continents name is displayed here: Asia, North America, Africa, South America, Europe, and Oceania, by different colors. Okay, so if you click on it you can select country also and population also. If I click on country, and if I click on country, see, the country's name is displayed by population. Okay, and if I select on population, then you can see the population data. Okay, color wise. For example, see, for example, blue color is Asia, and China is representing this blue color under Asia continent, and population is 1420, the highest. So you can see the blue color square is bigger than all other squares, so it means China has the highest population. Likewise, the purple is India. 1390 million. So China and India have almost the same population size, so the squares are also of the same size. Now see, for example, Oceania is pink color, New Zealand. Okay, the lowest population 5. And you can see that in the chart, the a bottom right hand corner, you can see a small rectangle is there. It is under or below 26. It is the New Zealand's population, the smallest square. Okay, likewise the size of the square depicts the population. Okay, larger the size means higher is the population. See, now comes the size option. The size is defined by the population by default. Okay, so this is all about the data tab. Now comes the customize tab. Under the customize tab, you will get the text option first. Under the text option, you will get to select the title of the chart. You can add a subtitle to your chart. You can add any source text or any document you can link here. For example, if you have taken your data from any other external source or any other website, or any source text you want to add, any description to this data, you can do it here. Okay, next comes the settings. Just click on it. Levels and tooltips. Tooltips is of no importance here. uh, don't touch it, keep it as it is. Then comes the levels. See, by default level is 1. Okay, if I increase it, nothing happens, because levels is only important where x-axis and y-axis values are there. Okay, if you increase the levels, the in between values, like I have explained in my previous videos, the in between values increases, data gets more refined. But in this tree map chart, there are no x-axis and y-axis values are there. Only the population data, only the numeric data is displayed by squares. The squares are representing the numeric data. Higher the bigger the squares, larger is the population size. Likewise, next comes the filters. Click on add. Now I will explain what are the filters. Okay, for example, I want to filter my population data. Okay, first you have to select by which criteria you want to filter data. Just click on it. There are three options. You can filter your data by continent, by country, or by population. I will select population. Okay, no, I will go with country. Yes, and style of the filter, I will choose buttons. Interactive color, my favorite color, red. I will choose it red. Allow multiple selections, turn it on, and just see the magic now. You can filter your data. So you can see above the chart, a filter is displayed: China, India, Japan, Indonesia, United States, Canada, Mexico, Nigeria, Egypt. But basically the country name is displayed here because we want to filter our data based on the country. See now, if you by default all the countries population is displayed here now. Okay, so if I want to display only the in Asia, only the India population data, I will just click on India. See, only India population data is displayed. Now, if I want to see both India and China, just click on China. See, India and China are displayed. Rest all others are not displayed. Okay. If I want to display only China, you have to unselect India first. Click on India. It will get unselected and China's data is displayed. If you want to see now, say China, Indonesia, Japan, three countries data is displayed here. Okay, so this is all about the filter option. You can remove the filter also from here. You can add multiple filters also. So this is all about the customize tab. Now we will see the basic options, the color options, the font options and all. So first is the white color, which is the background of the chart. By default it is white. I will recommend you also keep it white. Next is the blue color, the purple color, the country colors. Okay, there are many colors representing each countries. Okay, you can just click on it and you can change the colors. By default it is pink. You can slide it to the right. You will see many color options are there. If to the extreme left there is a gradient color option also. Then comes the spacing. Just click on it. If you move the slider to the right, the area of the chart increases, and if you move the slider to the left, the area of the chart decreases. Likewise, you can increase the area of the chart. Okay, then comes the font, text styles, font size, color, format, transparency, layers, position. Position means is of no use in this Excel workbook. Okay, then comes the nudge option. Nudge option basically provides you the provides you with the options to move your chart in the workbook either to the left, to the top, down, and to the right. These arrows. Okay, next comes the more option, the three dots. Just click on it. More option provides you with various options: copy, paste, duplicate, delete. You can comment on that chart. You can lock the entire chart so that its data does not get displaced or altered. Lock only the position and appearance. Link any external source text like I have discussed it earlier. You can download any selected parts of the chart. You can translate the text in the chart. Okay, now finally the chart is done. Now I will show you how to download your workbook including the chart. For this you can see a up arrow to the top right hand corner of the app beside the tick mark. Just click on it, then click on download. You have to now select the file type. Okay, there are basically many file types are there. I will explain it one by one. If you click on jpg png, the workbook will be downloaded as images file. PDF standard, PDF print, like you know all that it will get downloaded in PDF format. You cannot edit it. SVG and CSV. SVG is also a picture format. CSV and XLSX is editable format. It will get downloaded in Excel format. Okay, you can open it in any other Excel workbook software like Google Sheets or Microsoft Office Excel, and you can edit your data. Okay, you can view your workbook and the entire chart there also. Okay, so I will keep it with CSV, then click on download. You have to wait a few seconds. Based on your internet speed, download will get completed. If you click on open, your workbook will be opened. So this is all about the tree map chart. I hope you all have liked the video. So see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you everybody. Thank you.